So this is the home page of my website. As you can see, there are headings here in a different CSS class to describe the information that will be on the other web pages. There's also an embedded video and an image here. Then there's the next web page, which is about sustainability. It includes some questions pertaining to the subject of sustainability as well as their answers. In the section with benefits, the headings are based on the 3 pillars of sustainability, which are shown in this image. And there's also a table to provide some extra information for the viewer. Then there's the consequences page, which includes more images compared to the others. It also has some statistics, and it also has the different CSS classes. Then there's the section about sustainability in my community. Here it includes some hyperlinks that sends the viewer to pages where they can find more information as well as a relevant image. The section with information about what the viewer can do to improve to improve eco-friendliness in their day-to-day lives has bullet-pointed lists as well as images for each of the bullet points to illustrate the concepts better. This place also includes an embedded video. And then they have hyperlinks with the section with the young activists to show the organizations so the viewer can easily access those. Then the other resources section has a number of hyperlinks that the viewer can use to further their learning. There's also short descriptions of each hyperlink and also short descriptions of what the information is at each linked website. Finally, there's the quiz, which was created using JavaScript. I'll just quickly go through it to show that. As you can see, it displays whether the viewer got the answer correct or not. It displays whether the viewer got the answer correct or not, and also shows how many answers they got correct. And then finally, at the end, it allows them to retake the quiz and it tells them how many answers they got correct. This section of code is for the home web page. It's mostly made using HTML, but there are also JavaScript elements. This section is the website directory, so it includes a number of anchors. The sustainability section also has the same website directory, but this one has more text compared to the others, and it also has a hyperlink to show the report that's linked here. The consequences section has more images compared to the others, which are shown here and here. And then this shows the class that's used for the blue text compared to the other texts, which, as you can see, are different so that they stand out more. Our community section also has a hyperlink so that the viewer can access the place that's linked here, and then there's an image here. For what can we do? There's this is the code for the list here, and then the images which are beside, the text in the bullet pointed list. This section of code is the longest because it's also the longest web page, and it includes a lot more images than the others. Other resources is mainly made up of hyperlinks because it's mainly made up of hyperlinks, which are also shown here. And then finally, the quiz one. While the other web pages are mostly HTML, this one is mostly based on JavaScript. This section of code shows the correct results. This part is the questions. And then at the top, they have we define the font classes.